Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to go ahead and harvest my lemons. I have, this is an improved Meyer lemon. It is November, the end of November, and I think all the lemons, they're not as firm as they used to be, and they're all yellow. So I think it's time to harvest them. I have a few. So this is the first year growing these. So this is my very first harvest. So this is quite large. Let's see. Okay. I think they're very good size. How big that is. This might be the smallest one, and it's a decent size. So, this is probably the biggest one. It's covering almost my whole hand. So I got this. This is a 2-in-1 plant. It's a lemon and a lime. The lime didn't do too much. That's the lime right here, the Persian lime. Go ahead and take that off. But I think the lemon was the dominant plant. So it pretty much took all the nutrients and nothing really was left for the lime. So I will separate them out in the winter time. See, the leaves already yellowing, so they'll be falling off soon. Once they go dormant, I'll separate them out, so each of them will have its own planter, and hopefully the lime will do better next year. So put the labels one more time. So that's the lime. It's a Persian lime, and this is an improved Meyer lemon. So it did really well. They've now been here for a full year, and I think for a first harvest, I think this was pretty good. So this is all we have. So, all right, yeah, this is just a quick video to show you harvesting these, and I'll stop here for now, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you.